Humans have been blacksmithing for over 3,000 years. The earliest evidence of it is found in ancient Egypt in 1350 BCE, though the smith is believed to be a Hittite tradesman. A great deal of the process has changed since the beginning, but blacksmithing is alive and well today. Recently, Sir Matthew and Lady Andrea took part in an introductory workshop at Fallen Willow Forge in East Gwillimbury, and this video will document that amazing experience. The journey began with an overview of the project, turning an old railway spike into a functioning knife, followed by reviewing the safety protocols. Due to the nature of this activity, participants are required to be at least 16 years of age. Then it was time to start forging. Once the 4 propane forges were lit, we started the process of heating our metal. The process was, heat the metal until white hot, grab carefully with tongs, then place on the anvil and strike with the hammer. As the metal cools, it changes color. Timing is key. Hammering after the metal has cooled could cause stress fractures. We were constantly reheating the metal in order to forge the desired shape. Moving the metal and drawing it down away from the spine of the blade was time-consuming. With 4 forges running at 1600 degrees each, the forge got very hot and we had to stay hydrated to keep from overheating. Our instructor, John Walker, was a great teacher and helped us stay on track using his wealth of knowledge and experience. Even though we were all doing the same project, there were variations in all of our knives. Our second day was spent filing in the plunge grind and the bevels, as well as cleaning up our work. We didn't use any power tools during this workshop, which made the entire process very different than what you see on TV. The filing, in many ways, was more physically demanding than the hammering itself.
Check your edge. It's getting really thin there, actually.
All right, so I'll stay away from that. Really.
Yep, and I would work. Get it caught up over here.
Okay. Yeah.
And
once complete, we had the option of twisting our handle, which created a very interesting look.
good. Better.
No worries.
Go higher. 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 Just jet right there. Okay, there we go. Nice steady pressure, start turning. Keep going, keep going. Good, more. Keep it nice and straight. Good, we're going to stop there and get it reheated. If they did, they probably sat and cried because all their black was expensive. What's wrong with you? Alright.
Okay. And right at the
All you, man.
top. Right at the top.
Get it up to nice and top, right to the top.
There.
Nope, higher.
Higher.
Right there, good, now start twisting. Give her, put the beans to her. Now keep her nice and straight. You got it. Keep going. You're doing it. You're doing it. You're doing it.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
We're gonna go. There we go. So we slipped off. We're gonna.
Then it was time to quench the blade using a coal forge and oil.
Not sticking?
Nope.
Brilliant. And move back and forth. So what we just did there is we provided a ton of thermal energy. We got everything molecularly quite moving around. We got alloying agents precipitating into the lattice as opposed to staying outside of it. And by rapidly cooling it, we didn't give it a chance to relax, basically. So it's frozen in that position. Right.
Once the blades were quenched to John's satisfaction, it was back to grinding, taking off debris from the coal heating process, and then a sharp edge was put on the blades. Overall, it was an amazing experience and we look forward to our next project.